In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files to add an audio one. Now look for it by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, selecting one of those apps or tapping on Audio at the top. Wherever you decided, after finding your file, click on it to attach it. If you want to add a video one, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. To take a video and add it, select Video here, record it, and then to send it, click on blue button. To add already existing video, click on it here and tap on the same button. And if you can't find it here, scroll all the way down, click on Folders at the bottom left corner, select your video here, click on Add at the bottom right corner, and then Done also at the bottom right corner. Lastly, choose Send button again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!